Do you know that dehydration can trigger hair loss? Dehydrated hair can lead to our hair becoming dry, frizzy, and developing split ends, breaking easily, and stopping our hair from growing. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make this herbal water hydrating spray, hair mist, or a rinse. So guys, I'll be using natural ingredients to make this water spray that you can use to hydrate your hair. Welcome and welcome back. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, join this amazing channel. Please guys, watch this video to the end and don't forget to give me a like on this video. It will really help me a lot. And to make our herbal water hydrating spray, we are going to be making use of simple ingredients, and the first one is going to be our oregano leaves. Oregano has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which help with hair growth. It is also very amazing in bringing out thicker hair, making our hair achieve longer, thicker, and stronger hair. We are going to be using clove. Clove help our hair to grow faster as well. It also has antibacterial properties. Rosemary leaves, you can use the fresh or the dried rosemary leaf. As a spray, I will prefer the fresh one, but for an oil I will prefer the dried one. So for this spray, I am making use of fresh rosemary leaves. Fresh rosemary leaves is one of the best ingredients out there for hair care. It is rich in antioxidants. It helps in promoting blood circulation and stimulating hair growth. Who does not want that hair stimulation? Okay guys, this hairspray is packed with a lot of benefits and our hair is going to love it. So I am just going to add in water and let this steam up so that all the benefits can come into our water. So guys, this preparation is very easy. This is a simple herbal hair spray hydration, because you guys, water is the key source of minerals, which is very important for our hair to thrive, which help in also stimulating growth. If your hair is dry, there will not be any kind of stimulation. If there is insufficient supply of water to our hair follicles, it will result in our hair becoming dull. It will result in our hair becoming lifeless, dry, rough, brittle, and weak, and break, especially the ends of our hair. If we want to see that growth, if we want to see our hands striving and retaining that length, you want to hydrate your hair. So guys, I am in a 5 months ends care length retention challenge, like caring for my ends. And one thing to achieve this growth that I am aiming for, to care for my ends and to retain that length, I really need to pay attention with hydrating my hair, because if my hair is dehydrated, it will not work. No matter what you put on your hair, it will not work, because hydration is the key. Okay guys, hydration is the key to experience a healthy hair. You have to know now that the health of your hair is usually dependent on water. If your hair lacks hydration, it will not grow, no matter the product you use, no matter the sealant you use to seal in that moisture. When it is dry, it is dry. Your hair needs hydration, and with this simple herbal water, then you have taken your hair to the next level. So guys, this is what my hair currently looks like, and I'm going to measure it. I wore this t-shirt few months back when I did a 5 months hair growth challenge, so last year, and this was where my hair, the place where I marked with a marker was where my hair was at the last time I measured my hair, and now this is where my hair is. And you guys, the ends of my hair, as you can see, it is breaking, it is dry. So this is why I want to embark on this length retention ends care. I want to properly take care of my ends. My hair is growing properly, but I am not retaining that length. So guys, on my previous video, the last one that I uploaded, I show you guys how to make a very great herbal butter that you can use, a herbal butter cream that you can use on your hair to seal in the moisture to moisturize your hair. So on this video I will be showing you guys how to make the hydration herbal mist. So after watching this video, if you have not watched the previous one, I'm going to be leaving it in the link in the description box. You have to watch that video, okay, in order to seal in the moisture. That cream is very amazing, but this particular video you have to watch to the end, and this one is more important because without hydration you will just be wasting that buttercream. If your hair is dehydrated, then no matter the product you use, you will just be wasting it because it will not work. You may use the best of hair products, take vitamin supplements, but if your water intake is inadequate, you will not see the best results you wish for on your hair, guys. So our body loses water on a daily basis, so you have to make sure your water intake is much. Drink water as often as you can, and also eat water-based rich food. Plenty water rich food. There are so many types of food that is rich in water. You have to take it, and also you have to hydrate your hair, especially with our herbal water mixture, guys. So I am just spraying my hair now with my herbal water mixture, which we just finished making, and I am going to spray it on my hair. And my hair is 3 days now after wash day. I already washed my hair and I put it in a protective style. I just finished losing it now, and I made this herbal water spray for me to go into hydrate my hair. So after spraying it on my hair, I will use the herbal water to slightly, detangle it and just slightly put it in a different section, because I am going to be pouring it all over my hair. So guys, I'm going to be finishing the water spray that I make today. So you can store yours in the fridge or make a small batch and use it every day or twice a day. One thing I love about this herbal water, it is very lightweight. It will not cause any harm to your hair. You can use it once in a week, depends, okay, but I prefer you use it twice a day, 3 times a day, or 3 times a week, okay. You can use it as much as you want. It is water, it's only that you have put herbs in it, so it is very powerful. It will help to give you the hydration, especially this time when you go out in the sun. Your hair is dry and there are so many factors that lead to dehydration: the sun, the stress, the sweat, urine, and a whole lot of things cause this dehydration. So you either replace that hydration back, okay, you either replace it back by drinking water or spraying this herbal spray, or just slightly spraying your scalp with water. So guys, this is what I have come to understand, and I hope you guys love this video and hydrate your hair. So guys, I will also be putting my hair in different section. After spraying it all over my scalp, I will then go ahead to pour it all over my hair in the sink, and I will continue to give you different recipes on herbal water. So as a content creator, I just finished using mine now, and I want to make another one and share it with you guys. So if you are watching this video, you don't have time to make different ones, just pick out from the one that I will be sharing with you and make one. Use it before at least a week, because it will go bad. There's no preservative, it is just herbal water. So put it in the fridge and use it between 5 days, then make another one. If you have time, just finish it up, make a little batch, finish it up and make another one. So you have to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. If you really love this video, please give it a like, a huge thumbs up. So guys, can you see the transformation? This is a proof that our hair really needs hydration. Our hair really needs hydration. Like anything you use to hydrate your hair, especially water, guys, your hair will just become soft instantly, and you will be able to manage your hair. Can you guys see how my hair just went from being dry and dehydrated to being this looking good? Guys, I have not even applied anything at all. So right now I'm just going to go ahead to pour everything on my scalp, making sure that everything is well saturated. Again, this step is optional, guys. This step is optional. I just want to make sure that my hair is really saturated, like everything is intact, because I have low porosity, thick hair, and water hardly penetrate into my hair. So I have to do this step, guys. I have to do this step. So if you have high porosity hair, or your hair actually absorb water quickly, like it will just penetrate quickly, then you are good to go. But for me, I have to make sure everything is well saturated, guys, so bear with me. So right now I am done, and my hair is even more softer than before. Like the spray that I use, like the container, it will not do the work. So this one right here will make sure that everything is intact. So now I will just go ahead to use my hand to dry up my hair, and the breeze will even dry it up quickly. So before my hair dry up quickly, at least I want it to be 50% dry, not 80% or 100% dry. So when it is 50% dry, I will just quickly go ahead to seal it up with my moisturizer buttercream. You can use a water-based moisturizer or go in with your buttercream, depends. You can use a leave-in conditioner, and since I have used a leave-in conditioner before while I washed my hair, so now it's just for me to seal it with this oil. You don't have to use much depending on the type of dryness or the type of hair that you have. So especially the ends of my hair, I'm going to gently pat it on my ends and make sure you can skip your scalp and just apply a little bit of oil to your scalp, which will help to nourish and seal in the moisture and promote healthy hair growth. So I am going to put the oil, lightweight oil, on my scalp to nourish my scalp, to prevent dryness and to seal in that moisture and promote stimulation to the scalp. And then I will focus the buttercream to the ends of my hair. I'm just here slightly detangling my hair. My hair is already detangled. So as you can see, this is the transformation, like you guys can see on the screen right now. My hair is looking soft, guys. My hair is looking soft. And when you continuously do this twice or 3 times a week, your hair will flourish. There is no way you will not be able to retain that length. Because of stress and because of a lot of things that I have passed through this year, I have not been able to maintain and hydrate my hair the way I want to. So guys, now I really want to be able to focus especially on my ends, because my ends is where it's suffering. As you guys see on the clip before, as I stretch my hair, the ends were just like breaking off. It just removed. So there's no way you will see that length even if your hair is growing. With this hydration, it will help a lot. Hydration help a lot, because without hydration, guys, without water, there's no way, even if you apply this product now, it will not work. So the step that I have just taken right now, and then sealing it with this my cream, then I will definitely see results. So you can take some tips right now on this video and apply it to yours, and join me on this challenge, or just hydrate your hair. And this challenge is basically me hydrating my hair all the time, bringing out recipe on different hydrating herbal recipes, and then sealing it with moisturizer and my hair cream butter or my stimulating oil. So guys, let me leave you to enjoy the video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss my coming uploads. Okay, so guys, I am preparing another amazing herbal hydration spray for you, so you don't want to miss it. So guys, subscribe and turn on the bell notification and give this video a huge thumbs up. See you guys on my next video. Bye. And this is going to be my protective style for the next 3 days before I am going to rehydrate my hair again. Okay, so I'm going to rehydrate my hair again in the next 3 to 2 days. So depends, I will not leave my hair till a week again. So if you have a protective style, in case you want to ask, what if I have a protective style that does not require me to remove my braids, you can also partake in it. You can hydrate your hair even having that extension, or depend on the type of extension. So you can hydrate your hair by spraying in this herbal water or water in it, and then using a light oil to moisturize your hair, or this creamy butter. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment down below if you don't understand, or leave us a comment if you want to know anything, you want to request for any video. I love reading your comments, I love to answer any question you have regarding this challenge or any hair care tips. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all on my next one. Bye for now and stay blessed. Bye bye.